Alright guys, my car has been sitting outside all day and we're going to show you the importance of a remote start. So, holy shit, it's hot in here. 5:52, July 20th, 2018. And I am burning up. It is freaking hot. So basically what I've done here is I've rigged our little canine cooler box up with a cigarette lighter. So we're going to plug it in here. We have our temperature probe right here, if I can untangle this, and we're gonna set it, just kind of like dangle it here in mid-air. We're reading 106 degrees in here right now. So basically what I'm gonna do is let this sit here for a second and just kind of even out. And then I'm gonna remote start it and come back 20 minutes later and see where we're at temperature-wise. Okay guys, it is now 6:06 and apparently we've pegged this thing out at 133. Let's see what this thing reads. So our temperature probe is right here, so let me just shoot this at it. We're at 143, 144. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and remote start this thing now. So we're gonna let it run for about 20 minutes or so. We'll let her fire up here. Let's make sure the air conditioner is on full blast first of all. Alright, so I'm gonna let it run for 20 minutes or so, and then we'll check back. So it is 6:08, July 20th. We'll check back at 6:30. Alright, so I'm about to go outside. We're going to check the remote start. It is 6:32. And we are down at 83 degrees. And we've been running the remote start for about 20 minutes. You guys are missing out. You're killing yourself. Alright, so I killed the remote start. That just goes to show you guys how hot the interior of your vehicle can get sitting outside during the day. It's insane. Like, I think the temperature reached 106 here today in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Man, and we're not even like the hottest part of the country. So just remote starting your car for 15, 20, 25 minutes ahead of time can drastically decrease the interior temperatures. Now, obviously everybody associates a remote start with winter, warming it up when it's cold out. But man, when you guys opened the door, like I freaking instantly broke into a sweat. I mean, it was like 130 plus degree temperature to smack you in the face. It's like crawling into an attic. It's insane. So you guys stay safe out there, whether you have a remote start or not. Just, you know, start it with your key and smoke a cigarette before you get in it or whatever. But I mean, crawling into a car and just driving off when it's that hot, it sucks. This is where Tulsa gets remote start, right here. Anyways, be safe out there guys and try to stay cool.